I want to make a short video to show you today about our TreasurePoints Rewards program. So the first thing you always want to do when you come to our website is make sure that you're logged in so that we know who you are. This makes your shopping experience better, and it also makes the rewards program and everything customizable to you. So go up here, click on My Account, and log in. I'm already logged in for the purposes of this demo. If you're not logged in, please do that. You'll enter your email address and your password. So once you've done that, when you go to the rewards program, it'll know who you are. I'm logged in here, and it shows me how many points I have. It shows me a rewards tab and reviews tab. Our rewards program is very tightly integrated with our reviews program. If you give us reviews, we will give you rewards just for giving us those reviews. And you can do reviews just by coming here and clicking on your past orders and actually reviewing them right there. So we make it very easy for you, in addition to sending emails out asking you for those reviews. Now, in terms of the rewards program, if you click on earning treasure points, it tells you all the ways that you can earn. You get 150 points just for signing up. We give you 100 points every birthday if you enter your birthday. We have a VIP program. If you spend more than a certain amount every year, we will actually multiply your points. So if you spend over $100 in a year, you go to the next tier. If you spend more than $200 a year, you go to the following tier. And all the different ways you can share us on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, etc. You can earn points, as I said earlier, by writing a review, by uploading a photo with your review, or by uploading a video with your review. And we give you a few points every anniversary even. So that's the way that you can earn points. Now, in terms of redeeming points, you can just click here, and this is the different ways you can redeem points. Now, for the entry level, you really should have 200 points to get the most benefit from your points. But if you decide you don't want to wait till you have 200 points, we have a variable discount. If you have at least 100 points, you can start using the variable discount, and you can see for every 5 treasure points, you get 12 cents off, about 12 cents off. So you can use this slider to decide if you want to spend between 100 and 200 points before you get to the 200 point level. So that is how you redeem points. There's also, as I said, the VIP program. If you want to give referrals, we make it very easy. You click on this to copy the link. It's kind of hard to see here. It's white on gray. But if you click on this, it copies the link, and you get 200 points for every customer that signs up and makes a purchase, and they get $5 in store credit on their first purchase. And again, we make it easy. You can click on WhatsApp, you can click on Facebook Messenger, Facebook itself to share it to your Facebook page, which would share it to all of your friends, or you can share it on Twitter, or you can email it to a friend individually. And then this shows the latest reward that you've actually used. So that's really quickly how you use our program. One of the most common questions we get is, how do I redeem points? Again, you just go to this icon, you click on redeem points, and it's just point and click from here. You just click on the reward you want, and you can redeem them that way. So I hope that helps. Have a great day.